गोल्डी वेल के लिए किया है, काफ़ी लोगों तो काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस था, तो मुझे करना था कुछ इस ये लाइन में। मेरा एक इवेंट मैनेजमेंट कंपनी भी था दिल्ली में, और मैंने कई बड़े बड़े NGOs के लिए इवेंट्स किए हैं। सो ऑल दिस अगेन आई वेंट इनटू द कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड। मैं कुछ 13-14 साल कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में था। आई वाज हेडिंग नीलकमल का साउथ इंडिया हेड था, फिर एक अमेरिकन कंपनी है उसका हेड था। आई क्विट माई जॉब ऑन 17 September एंड आई लॉन्च माई banner, and the name of the banner is Ashmita and Amisha Films, named after my daughters. और मैंने एक चीज़ ठाना कि मैं कोई भी कंटेंट बनाऊंगा, आई शुड बी एबल टू वॉच विद माई डॉटर्स गिल्ट फ्री। सो ये मेरा प्लान है, और आप लोगों के सामने भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि सिर्फ वायलेंस या सेक्स दिखता नहीं है। यू कैन ऑलवेज ट्राई एंड डू समथिंग गुड, सम मैसेज शुड बी देयर। सो इंडो नेपाल प्रोजेक्ट मेरा जो है एक ड्रीम कम ट्रू है। लाइक आई सेड कि नेपाल में कुछ करना है तो नेपाल के लिए कुछ करो। तो मैंने इंटरनेट में सर्च किया क्या है कंटेंट जो नेपाल को प्रमोट करता है ग्लोबली। सो गाने थे बट नेपाली में थे, तो मैंने बोला कि हिंदी गाना बनाते जो हम इंडिया में उसको प्रमोट करेंगे। देन आई सिलेक्टेड 2 people फ्रॉम इंडिया, एंड राजीव भाई एंड रोशवी फ्रॉम इंडिया, एंड प्रिंस एंड नीति फ्रॉम नेपाल, and director is from Nepal, also from India, Arafat Mahmood साहब आने वाले हैं थोड़ी देर में। So he has done ध्वनि का जो गाना है, कौन सा गाना है वो बहुत फेमस, वास्ते गाना, वो बहुत फेमस है। ढूंढने को मुझे लगा आप गाना चाहते हैं। So it is really amazing working with Nepal. I would like to take another 1 or 2 minutes to tell you that इतना अच्छा डायरेक्टर मुझे मिला। हमने बस फोन पे ही सारा बात किया, एंड आई ट्रस्टेड हिम, एंड देन आई इंटरेस्टेड द वर्क ऑन हिम, एंड आई सेड वी आर लैंडिंग, दिस जेंटलमैन वाज वेरी बिजी शूटिंग। आई सेड इनके बस सिर्फ 3 दिन है, हमें 3 दिन में खत्म करना है। ही प्लान द होल थिंग, एंड देन वी लैंडेड। हम वहाँ पोखरा गए, पोखरा से धामपुस गए। इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल कंट्री साइड, वहाँ पे एक ब्यूटीफुल लोकेशन है। वी वर्क लाइक ए फैमिली। Roshni and all of you can relate to it that we work like a family. Or cost wise also it's not expensive to shoot in Nepal. I would say Bollywood should really think and explore and come and shoot in Nepal. और काफ़ी कुछ है possibility हम कर सकते हैं। There is a film city that is being planned, so very soon you will hear that something is being planned. Tapa साहब से कल बात हुई, and it was really amazing to see his support. Rajesh Hamal ji is really very supportive of any initiative that I take. So post this we are also thinking of a Indo-Nepal cricket match, and we are also thinking of a Indo-Nepal Big Boss House. Big ambitious projects, but I am sure we will be able to do it. So Rajiv bhai is supporting with the cricket, so why don't you say a few things about it?
Not a cricket, I'm just an actor. But still, Rajesh bhai came with this idea. In fact, I played, there is something called CCL which was happening, Celebrity Cricket League. So I did captain the Malayalam team for a few years. So I have some experience with that. When he came up with that, he wanted a celebrity team from India, which includes cricketers and actors, to play with the national team of Nepal. He went and spoke with the national cricketing captain of Nepal. So he's, Paraskar. And then it's going forward, so it's a good thing which involves international cricketer Srishant going there and picking up talents from Nepal. So he has a huge vision, in fact, a very brave vision. So I hope, I pray it's gonna be a reality, and which is gonna be really good for Nepal cricket as well.
Thank you. So I went there and I thought let me bring back something. So एक तो ये cricket match है, then we thought Indo-Nepal Big Boss House where half people will be from Nepal and half from India. So it will be amazing, and we're thinking of doing it in Nepal only. So the other thing is that I met Dashrath ji and I saw some of his shows. So I said मैं कुछ लेके जाता हूँ यहाँ से। तो क्या लेके आया हूँ वहाँ से? इनका एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट और अच्छा टॉक शो है विच इज़ कॉल्ड VFI टॉक्स, वॉइस फॉर यूथ टॉक्स। आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक अबाउट इट। सो मैं उसको इंडिया में लेकर आ रहा हूँ। उसका जो इंडिया चैप्टर होगा वो मैं इनके साथ करूँगा। सो व्हाई डू यू से?
Okay, before that I'll just talk about this project. Right? the chairperson of this program, Mr. Rajesh Chaudhary, and the chief guest, the pride of our nation, the Mahanaik of our country, Nepal, Mr. Rajesh Amaldai, and obviously I would say Master Thapadai, and some other distinguished dignitaries, and my dear journalist. I'll just say about a quiet experience about this project. It was very nice. It was very homely environment while working with my cast and crews and obviously Rajesh Rai. Having said that, Nepal and India has so many things like similarities, history, and if you really observe our neighboring countries, you can see like similar. This music video aims to exchange our culture to the international area. And whole music video has been filmed in Nepal. As you say, whole lyrics describe about our country. As you all know, Nepal is the land of mystic mountains, the land of, as well, highest, top of the highest world peak, Mount Everest, the land of Gautam Buddha, Lord Gautam Buddha. And the lyrics describe about our beauty, our nature, our customs, our tourism places. I would say this is not only the song, this is the gift for Nepal. And I would say, thanks to Mr. Rajesh Chaudhary. This is not only your song, the whole music, video, and lyrics gift for our nation. I would say, and really thanks from the core of my heart, Rajesh sir. And last but not least, thank you so much. It was very, amazing experience while working with my cast and crews like Rajiv Bhai, Niti, Rosmia, and Prince. And Nepal is very safest and very cheapest land in entire world. I would say I would like to invite some Bollywood filmmakers and some regional filmmakers from here to have some kind of shooting activity in Nepal. और कुछ बोलना है मैं आज हिंदी और नेपाली बोलना चाहता हूँ because this is Indo culture. We have to exchange our language as well. So I have to speak in Nepali because you guys are long Nepali language, right? Because this is Indo culture, right? जैसे हम इधर हिंदी बोलते हैं तो आप लोग ने भी नेपाली सीखना चाहिए. इसी को बोलते हैं Indo culture, right? र म Indo Nepali exactly. और धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु म सम्पूर्ण भारतीय मिडिया कर्मीहरूलाई तपाईको यो अमूल्य समय चेहरा गीतको लागि दिनुभएको छ र धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु म सम्पूर्ण उपस्थित महानुभावहरू. This is our language because we have to promote our language, right? And thank you very much. Thank you very much. Apart from this music video, I am a television program producer, director, and youth entrepreneur as well. I have a very big show in Nepal called VFI Talks. It means Voice for Youth, where you can see a lot of people, a lot of success personalities over there. And throughout this talk show, I'm going to be raising the voice for the youth as well, and to motivate the youth throughout this program. And I'm really glad with the Rajesh Dai because he is my program patron, right? जैसे राजेश भाई ने मुझे बोला कि वो टॉक्स नेपाल में नहीं लाना चाहिए तो इंडिया में नेपाल मुझे लग रहा है नेपाली है देखो CBS नेपाली है और इधर विशिष्ट अतिथि नेपाली है तो मुझे लग रहा है मैं अभी नेपाली में हूँ इसीलिए नेपाल ज़्यादा आ रहा है कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं है. तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि इंडिया में भी हमारा जो टॉक्स है वो लाना चाहिए तो मैंने बोला ठीक है क्योंकि ये बहुत बड़ा सिटी है, इंटरनेशनल स्पीकर इधर है, तो हम कुछ कर सकते हैं। तो इसीलिए उन्होंने मुझे बोला, तो फिर मैंने उनका प्रपोजल एक्सेप्ट किया और देखे कैसा होने वाला है। तो बाद में लेट्स वर्क टुगेदर बट स्टे अलोन। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Okay, thank you everyone. I would like to thank you everyone. Yeah. So okay, be everyone. So be everyone. Okay. So I'm going to invite her. So I had the privilege of meeting Mr. Rajesh Hamal in Nepal a couple of months ago, and then I was a bit nervous before meeting him. There's such a I did a little research about him, and then I was like, wow. So he invited him, and then we had a tea together. I said, "Hey, wow." I mean, I didn't feel that I'm meeting a celebrity. It was such a wonderful time meeting him. And every time I met him, उसके बाद जितनी बार मैं मिला उनसे, it was a wonderful experience meeting him. And I could learn so much from him with his passion, for the films and for his work, for what he has done for the country and the influence that he has, the positive influence and the massive people. वो चलते हैं तो लाखों लोग उनके पीछे चलते हैं. So I was that such a person, and he's so down to earth. मतलब literally I've not seen a celebrity like him ever in my life, and I'm a big fan of yours, sir. And I really love you, and I believe that there's so much we can do. So when I offered him something, he never said no. So I'm going to announce it that we're going to do a Hindi song together, which will be shot in Chandigarh as well as Nepal. So that Rajesh Hamal sir will feature in that song. So I'm so glad you accepted it. I would like to call upon stage and please say a few words and bless all of us. And
Thank you, Rajesh. Good afternoon, everybody. Namaskar. एकदम हृदय से नमस्कार सब लोगों को. बहुत खुशी हुई. I'm very happy to be here in Mumbai. Mumbai, of course, hasn't been a new place for me. I've been here many times over the years. The first time I came here was maybe around 35 years ago. And I've been working in Nepali films for the last 30 plus years. It's almost 32 years. But my age is only 25. So you do your maths. Go home and do your maths, So it's a wonderful time here. I must thank Rajesh Chaudhary for bringing me over this time because I was being hungry for Mumbai. I haven't been in Mumbai for the last 3.5 years, and I have such a fond memories, especially in the 90s and early 2000s. When I had come here to shoot Nepali films, I've probably come here to shoot maybe 5 or 6 Nepali films during those last 25 years in Film City and SL Studio. Does that still exist? Is it still called SL Studio? Or is it called something else? Is it still SL Studio? Yeah, okay. So I've done, I've shot a few films over there and a few films at the Film City, and have very fond memories. Have quite a few friends and that I know who are close to my heart. And Master Thapa happens to be one of the person. Master Thapa, you must come here. Every time I come to Mumbai, my visit is incomplete without meeting this gentleman over here. Why don't you stand up and he's a very charismatic guy, and he's been a very strong force and a prominent member of Shiv Sena. With him, I had gone to Bal Thakere's house and met when he was still alive about 10, 12 years ago. And Smita Thakur, we met them together, and Uday Thakur. We have yet to meet Raj Thakur. Yeah, I have yet to meet him, but I've met the rest of the other family. So thank you very much. And I'm so impressed with what Rajesh has in the pipeline for Nepal and for India and the relationship between the two countries. And I'm totally amazed by the kind of ambition that he has, especially in the creative field that he wants to do to promote, especially the relationship between Nepal and India. Because you see, art is a soft diplomacy, and I always believed that through art and through culture, the ties between the two countries can be much more stronger than political ties. Sometimes politics can go haywire. Sometimes political happenings can be misunderstood. But as long as there is a great cultural tie, as long as there is a great people-to-people relationship, then the relationship between the two countries is extremely stable, and it never wobbles. So Rajesh is doing an extraordinary thing through art to bringing two countries together, Nepal and India. And sometimes I feel that he has a very ambitious project, but I do want to, give my support and help wherever I can, because I want his dreams to come true. He wants me to do a Hindi song, which is again something new for me, because in the last 32 years that I've been working in Nepali films, there's only one project that I have done outside of my country, and that happens to be, I don't know if I should be telling this here, but that happens to be a Pakistani film. So I've done one Pakistani film way back around 10 years ago, but I've never featured in any of the Hindi songs. However, I must tell you that I started off my modeling career from India. Way back in my 20s, I had come to Mumbai and have done ramp walking, and I've done fashion modeling, when I was in my early 20s. I've done a lot of photo shoots at Juhu Beach and Palm Grooves and Sun and Sand Hotel, which was very prominent, iconic features those days. And have done a few modeling assignment in New Delhi as well at Maurya Hotels and etc. But after that, then I went to Nepal, and I've been working in Nepali film, and fortunately I've been in Nepali film for the last 32 years, churning out. Huh? And then I studied in Chandigarh, huh? No, water, the rajma, and the chawal, and the lassi, and whatnot. So they were all excellent. So thank you very much for being here, especially the members of the press. I'm sure that you will disseminate this news, and people of Mumbai and people of India will know that how close both the countries can be, because sometimes politics betrays us, but the cultural ties and the people-to-people tie will never betray us, as long as we have a good intention in the heart, right? So Rajesh Chaudhary ji, I always say that, he's an Indian person with a Nepali heart. Because he has so much of love for our country, and it's only recently that I've met him, but it feels like that I've known you for ages. No, it hasn't, it's like 5-6 months that I met you first time. I met him about 6 months ago, and now I feel that I've met him for all my life. More than 33, all my life, 25 years. And again, meeting the whole cast, like Rajiv is such a gentleman over here, and he's got a fantastic look, so I hope that he will also be part of Nepali films in the future. I'm saying that if I come with an offer, please don't say no. And then Niti, of course, she is from Nepal. We met several times, right? And she's been doing great works. And there's something over here in a tiny package that is ready to explode, Vibrant things always come in tiny packages, so she happens to be one of them. And Prince, of course, I've known him for so many years now, and he's been an excellent guy, and he's very passionate about acting, and wants to do something in the field of cinema. I wish him all the best. And Dasarath, how can I miss you? Dasarath is, like he said, he runs VFY talk shows. You can go to YouTube and type VFY, and you'll come and see his several interviews that he has broadcasted. And I've been in 2 or 3 of those interviews that he has done, and we had a great association doing that. And on a personal level also, we are very good friends. He comes to my house, and we talk and discuss about creative works and about life. And not only about life, but we also talk about mind, body, and spirit, don't we? Huh? And we talk about world history, we talk about a lot of things, and he's a great listener. He's a great listener. And Rajesh ji was always complaining that Dasarath doesn't smile, but whenever I speak to him, he's always smiling. So Rajesh, you got to see that, you see.
Yeah, I can see
Every
that.
time I speak to him, I mean, you can see all his teeth, and he's smiling from ear to ear. And he's an excellent guy. He probably doesn't say so much, but he really puts in his effort in whatever he is doing. He's very passionate, he's very hardworking, he's very focused in what he is doing. So it's a great team here. And Ashish Ji, how can I forget him? You know, I admire singers a lot, and I envy them as well, because I think singing is such a gift, and when you got to be born